In today's video, I'll show you guys how to skip the prologue in Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Check my video description for the smart download link. Download this Batman prologue skip. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and then click on OK. Open this Warner Bros. Lego Batman. Save games, Steam, random number, and this is your game progress. Before dropping this save, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Drop the files inside. Drag and drop this mod file inside this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, select load game. 4% complete. Select the save. And now you can straight into the fight. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.